447 small block Ford. The description is combination. It's got our heads on it. It's got a Holley manifold, Fuel SS 650, MSD Pro Billet. Got the blacked out front end mark. Make sure the alternator charges for you. Got a custom grind hydraulic roller. Rear sump oil pan by Champ. Take you in there and show you how it ran. Alrighty, 3,400, 399 foot-pounds of torque. Peaks torque 407. Peaks horsepower, let's see here, up here, 431. We rated it at 440. Front end's about 15, so everything's good. Get it off there, get in the crate, come your way. Have a great day.